Hello all, my name is Pratik Shukla and I made a dashboard on credit card customer data. Here are mainly four different sheets and on first sheet it's the raw data with some of the main columns like attrition flag which tells if a customer is an existing customer or an attrited customer, educational level, marital status, income category, transaction amount and credit limit. Data definition sheet, and on pivot sheet I took 12 different questions based on the raw data, and for some of them I made pivot table and for some of them I just made table with formulas or drop down selection. Let's jump off on dashboard. Left hand side it shows all the data, static data based out of the raw data, which tells the count of the customers based on the different criteria like gender, educational qualification, type of customer, and their spend limits and count of attributed customer based on their income slab. On right hand side, it's an dynamics dashboard with a selection on marital status of the customer. Like if I here select married, it shows count of all the married customers, their card category, attributed or existing customer. And on second graph, it's a bar graph which shows all the customer who are married, and we can select educational qualification as per our need. Like if we select postgraduate, it shows all the customers whose marital status is married and their educational qualification is postgraduate. And on last, these two graphs are based on the age groups of the customer and their marital status as per selection from the drop down. On left hand side, it shows the money spent in last 12 months, and on right hand side, it shows the different products held by different age groups of the customers. So that's all for this. Thank you.